Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on BMW X1 E84 1.8T. This is the AC condenser right there. In order to get access to it, we don't need to remove the front bumper, we need to remove just a couple of stuff on the upper side. In order to get access to the AC condenser, we're going to need to remove those cooling fans that I'm showing you right there. We'll start by removing those air intake pipes. Now that this air intake pipe is removed, we have access to the cooling fan. In order to remove the cooling fan, first we're going to remove this electrical connector. To remove it, there's two tabs on the two sides. We need to push them in and then pull out the connector. The cooling fan on this side is held by this plastic tab, which we need to pull out and then pull up the cooling fan. On the other side, the cooling fan is held again by the same tab. We're just first going to remove this air intake hose because it's in the way. This is the tab that we're going to remove. There is a bolt also that we need to remove, and the plastic tab is like on the other side. First we'll remove the bolt. Now we're going to remove the cooling fan. Again, to remove it, there is a plastic tab on that side that we need to pull out, and on this side as well. And we pull out the plastic tab and pull up the cooling fan. I think there is something holding it on the bottom, so we'll go underneath the car to see what exactly is holding it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So now we're underneath the car. I've already removed this plastic cover that covers the engine underneath. And now we have access to the cooling fan. This is what is holding it. This is the oil cooler, and it's held by one bolt to the cooling fan. We're going to remove that bolt and remove the cooling fan, the oil cooler from the cooling fan. We can see the oil cooler is now free, so now we're going to go to the top of the car and try and pull out the cooling fan. There might be some hoses or wiring harness attached to this cooling fan that you need to remove from, but then you should be able to take it out. And that's the cooling fan out. Next, we're going to start removing the bolts holding the radiator to the chassis. That's the bolt right there that we need to remove, and that's the other bolt right there. Now that the two bolts are removed, we can bring back the radiator and we'll have access to the AC condenser. Next we need to remove the two AC lines that are connected to the AC condenser. These are the two AC lines and they're held by two bolts. We need to remove those two bolts and then pull out the AC lines. Next we're going to remove the two plastic bolts that are holding the AC condenser. One of them is right there. We just need to turn it anti-clockwise and it will come out, and it's the same on the other side. Now that the AC condenser is freed up, next we're going to push back the cooling radiator so that we get access to remove the AC condenser. Before pushing back the radiator, first we're going to pull it up so that it goes out of where it's sitting on the bottom, and then push it back, and now we'll have access to the AC condenser to remove it. I'm even going to put a rope around the radiator so that I can get it to stay pushed back, so that I have more space for the AC condenser. There's the two AC lines disconnected. Now I'll show you a closer view of the AC lines. Make sure you change the O-rings on them before putting them onto the new AC condenser. Before being able to remove the condenser, there is one more bolt that we need to remove. The bolt is located right there, just where the AC lines are connecting. That's the bolt right there that we need to remove. Now that the bolt is removed, the condenser should be free and we should be able to take it out. And that's the AC condenser out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. This is the new AC condenser. First we're going to fill it with about 50 milliliters of AC condenser oil. The oil is pack 46. We'll put about, again, like I said, about 50 milliliters. And now we're going to put the new AC condenser in its place and start assembling everything in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.